Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and we're back with another video. And I already washed my face, so I'm just gonna be applying this to my face. I always apply this every time.
Sorry about that, you guys. I meant to say aloe vera smoothing gel. Sorry.
It smells so good, you guys. Okay, so now we're going to move on.
Okay, guys. I'm not gonna be doing my eyebrows in this clip just because I just feel like I did enough videos of where you guys see that I do my eyebrows, so I'm just not gonna be doing my eyebrows in the clip. I'm just gonna move on to eyeshadow.
The doors open, take that hot road and hop in. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open here. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
You and me, all day, that's us, boo. Came through with that new thing, see, I don't know why I trust you. Crazy now, I'm just too on. Maybe now I'm just too gone. Maybe now I'm just looking for that same vibe that you on. Cause I'm out here with my boys, going crazy in this bitch. Overseas, getting Benz, no Mercedes in this bitch. We made the album 9 months, had a baby in this bitch. I'm with your bae, on the run, like I'm Jay-Z in this bitch. I don't smoke a lot, but I get green. But ball out, no SBs, I caught you out, you got serving that beat stop, no step team. I came through and that's real shit. No, Novocaine, but I feel this. Feeling kid when I feel banks, I still be spitting that Will Smith. I shut it down, we do that. Hell yeah, we knew that. That girl gave me them crazy eyes. Orange is that new black. That cold out, so I think about it. Stress me out, so I drink about it. They talk a lot, but it's all good, so it's too real. Don't think about it.
She took me out of my place, but I stay in my zone. Look me right in my face.
Okay guys, now we're gonna go in with a darker color in the crease of our eyes, and we are just going to pat it in like this.
Baby on the bike, Kiwi doing top of clocks. And I'm clipping on you niggas like a dreadlock. And my team winning and we ain't gon' stop. Bad little cheeks and she suck on my cock. Nigga won't smoke with me, we blow him like a tree. You niggas can't compete with a young nigga like me. And I know you wonder when GC going under. You can never see me, I call you Stevie Wonder. Neck so cold, it gon' probably make you stutter.
What channel are you?
Sorry?
What channel are you?
for all skins. The technique I was telling you guys about.
So in this clip, I was going to, it was a new technique where I used darker foundation and I would put it around the face, the corners of my face that I want to be darker at. So that's what I'm talking about.
So we're gonna go in with a dark shade and we're just gonna put it on the areas where
Yeah, said you'll find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. We'll talk about them again, you keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in, well I guess that you're right. But fake has been never my type, and I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night, then you came in my life. You're different than them. I'm used to them playing pretend. I'm used to you're only a friend. Fell deep with each letter you send. I'm questioning loving again. I'm questioning when it will end. Bend till I break it, my heart don't break even. I want this for longer than only a season, and you didn't break me. You came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason. I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet him. Wish I could see him one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that his sun is your folk and to change. And hear him laugh when I tell him about the stories we made, pretending like I'm okay. I'm broken and you know it. Building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face told me focus. You're not the only one that's been broken. I'm hoping.
Text me after you realize you're a new man. Fucked up one time too many. I remember when we split. You said.
This is the final look of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, comment below and tell me guys what you want to see. And subscribe to my channel because that does support me. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.
I'm not trying to own you. I just wanna know what it feels